Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gelatin gummy. Gather gelatin powder, sugar, liquid, molds, and flavoring, then bloom gelatin in cold liquid before heating gently until dissolved. Stir in sugar and flavor, strain if needed, pour into molds, chill until set, unmold, and store in an airtight container. Use 1 tablespoon gelatin per cup of liquid and adjust sweetness to taste. Add citric acid for tartness, and dust with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Start with simple ingredients: gelatin, liquid, sugar, and flavor. Measure gelatin by using 1 tablespoon per cup of liquid for a firm set, reduce to 3/4 tablespoon for softer gummies. Use clear juices or a mix of water and syrup for pure flavor. Add color or citric acid for tartness. For vegan options, note agar versus gelatin behaves differently and requires different heat and setting approaches. Experiment with ratios to match your texture preference. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, a practical and witty companion for smart choices and less stress. It pairs oddly well with making treats because good habits compound. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on flavor concentration and texture balance when making gelatin gummy. Use concentrated juices, extracts, or purees, but strain large particles to keep texture smooth. Adjust sugar to balance tartness and add a pinch of salt to boost flavor. For chewiness, increase gelatin slightly, and for tender bites, lower gelatin and add glycerin or corn syrup. Always cool gummies at room temperature briefly before refrigeration to avoid condensation. Label batches with ratios so you can repeat successful textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.